Alright, let's dig right into it. This is the new Bergara B14 HMR in 6.5 Creedmoor. Now I couldn't find the caliber I wanted, and it took me 2 hours. Geez, they really packaged this good. It took me 2 hours online to find a supplier in Canada that even had one of these rifles. There's only 3 to choose from in 2 different places. They had 6.5 Creedmoor, which this is. They had 6 Creedmoor, which I'd never heard of, and they had 450, which I didn't think would be very good. Let's get this open. I like how securely they packaged it though. Now I used to target shoot quite a lot in my younger days, so this is something to do with the kids. I'm going to try and get back into this. But there's not a lot of ranges around here that'll have. I think the maximum one near Madoc is like 400 yards, but we'll find somewhere else to shoot this. Now, this gun came from Bullseye North. I'll give them a little shout out because they helped me out quite a bit with ordering some parts for it too. They're bang on, so it kind of looks like that's the bottom, that's the top. Let's reposition this, cut it first. Yeah, I like to treat myself once a year to buy something I want. This year I was going to buy a computer, but my wife beat me to it at Christmas time. So yeah, and with the new barn going up, I should have probably put this money in the barn, but you got to buy yourself something once in a while. And I don't have big truck payments, and I don't have four-wheeler payments. I don't smoke. I drink a little bit, not very much. So what else are you going to do, right? There it is. And that is the brown. And I was a bit worried about what color they meant by brown, but I kind of like that. It looks more gray. So straight out of the box, it's packed in a nice rigid foam. I was hoping they would have sent a hard case with it, but the bolt, instruction manual, which we'll have to sit down and read later. Not that I need it. Must be warranty card. Magazine. It comes with one 5-round magazine. I believe it's an ACI pattern. I'm not going to go into all the details of all the stuff because all the other videos do the same thing. So, the bolt comes separate. Nice sturdy handle on it. I'll take this bad boy out of there. Oh, she's got a way heavier barrel than I thought it was going to have on it. I'm very impressed with that. I'm not impressed with the bolt handle coming apart like that though. Feels like it's plastic. Oh no, it's steel. Nothing a little Loctite can't take care of, but you think that would be torqued on there. Maybe they do that on purpose so you can change it. I don't know. Goes in one way, and I watched a lot of reviews and they're talking about how super smooth this bolt was. It is. It's empty. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's got all the standard stuff. I'm not going to go through everything. You guys want to know about this, you can, anyway, I'll just tell you this. It's HMR's hunting match grade, so I can do some deer hunting with this and go to a match the next day. Anyway, there she is, the Bergara B14 HMR 6.5 Creedmoor. Now, the suppliers in Ontario and Canada and all, because of the gun shortage down in the States, they have a hard time getting anything. So I was very lucky to get this. I was a little worried about the color brown, but I kind of like that. It looks more like a gray. to me, but I guess. And one of the reasons I went this way and not with a Savage, because it came with a good stock already. I won't have to do anything. And it's fully adjustable. Cheek riser, buttstock's adjustable. It's got 3 swivel points. It's got the flush mount sling points on each side. I'm not sure why I'd want that on this side. Dig into you, but hey, whatever. Options. It doesn't come with a scope base, scope mount. We have a 20